Kajanta Institute of Technology, Jowai, Dakajingarshan Jangasarkar Jala, Lingbaga Meghalaya State Skill Development Society, Department of Labour, Government of Meghalaya, Hapok Scheme Skill Meghalaya, Kalapli Yakajing Hikai Web Developer, Klim Kanu Kajing Siu, Nakabenta Kitu, Kibawan Sha Hikai. Yakini kajing hikai web developer lapli pat ba du ba Wailadmiki Shillong, Emily Hakasautric Yayong, ha auditorium jangka kyang nang ba Government College. Hagajingkren uba Wailadmiki ulayaro ikinong penyat kini ke Jaka Hikai kabela plilat iki samla jang kini kejuk banyo rungkam haki company babunjan amtang haki tanak terikam ke sorkar. Ulakan turu iki samla kini ke nong ba bakathanyi berokawai ban shimi kini kalat ban pentebit bat penkre eladi ban rung shikikam kipa kini kejuk ketawa kat kum kejingyat kapor ulaong.
Like in few years, like Jowai, but still now we are facing the problem of this garbage issue. All of you have witnessed that. But if you see in other cities, what the people used to do, some NGOs, some students, they used to come that please give us that waste. We'll treat it. We'll treat it. We can make manure out of it. We can recycle the waste, the waste garbage. That's what I was telling you. You have to look for a cause. In one way, you are helping in keeping your city clean, and in another way, you are creating a business out of it. So that should be your thinking now. So that's why I'll request you. But most of the time, I'll tell you, government cannot do everything. Government cannot do everything. Government can only show you the way. Can only show you the way. Like today, I'm very happy that this Skill Meghalaya, under Skill Meghalaya, we are starting this web developer. But mind it, it is only for 3 months. We'll give you the basic. But after that, it's you who have to continue it. Who have to find a way how to master it. It's not that after 3 months then again you will look for another training. It will be useless, I'll tell you. And I'd like to request our skill development officer here is along with other department that I have seen in before, that before starting any training, we have to do a thorough survey of the area. Because like what is happening in this DDU GKY, where they are giving training and then they are trying to put the student after training to put in placement. But what is sad to see is that, means the trade where they are teaching, it is not the trade where we can use here in Giant Hills or even in Meghalaya. After giving training, they have to go to Delhi and Mumbai. Which I don't think the parent will send, and especially where the pay is very less.
Hakani kesngi play la don lang ka Dr. E.M. Bala, Principal Kiang nang ba Government College, uba Lambor Mi Suchen, SDO West Giant Hills, ba Bankit Bor Marwen, Managing Director JIT, Jowai, bat ika jingelang la penyat ka kong Sandamiki Pasa.